Hello guys, I am Shloka Shetty studying in third year from IHM Ahmedabad. I am very grateful for this opportunity given to me by Karamat to innovate using their products. Today I am going to be making Kalmi Cocktail Tacos using their Kalmi Kebab Make Your Own kit. I hope you like this simple and tasty dish and try it at your homes too.
We will be needing 1 bowl of mayonnaise, coriander, 2 lemons, chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, 500 grams of chicken, Karamat's Kalmi Kebab mix, lettuce and taco shells. Add the barbecue mix from the Kalmi Kebab mix packet to 500 grams of chicken and mix thoroughly. Keep this marinade in the refrigerator for 60 to 90 minutes. Mix chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, lemons, coriander and salt according to taste to make the salsa. Mix the mint chutney mix and barbecue mix from the Kalmi Kebab packet to mayonnaise to make the dips for tacos. Cook the chicken in a pressure cooker for 3 to 4 whistles till the chicken is fully cooked. Shred the cooked chicken using forks. Assemble the taco by placing the lettuce leaf, shredded chicken, the 2 dips made using the Karamat's Kalmi Kebab mix, salsa, and thus your taco will be ready. Thank you.